In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Asana tags. This is a straightforward process that can be completed in a matter of minutes, allowing you to manage your projects more efficiently. So let's dive right in. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Asana's login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. After entering your email, proceed by clicking the Continue button. This step takes you to the password entry field. Input your password, and when you're ready, click on Login to access your Asana homepage. Now that you're logged into Asana, you'll find yourself on the homepage. This is where you can see an overview of your workspace. From here, locate and open the project you want to work on by selecting it from your project list. Once you have your project open, your next task is to edit tags within that project. To do this, click on Details for any task within your project. This will allow you to view all the information associated with that task. Look for the section that includes tags and click on the tags themselves. This action opens up the tag editor. Once in the tag editor, you will see an option to open the Actions drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down. Here, you'll find several options related to tag management. If you need to change the name of a tag, simply choose the Rename Tag option and enter the new name for the tag you want to update. It's as simple as typing and confirming your changes. In addition to renaming tags, you can also customize their appearance by changing their color. To do this, look for the Set Color option. Selecting this will provide you with a palette of colors, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your organizational needs. A color change can help you visually differentiate tags and can make your project management experience much more intuitive. Lastly, if you decide that a tag is no longer necessary, you have the option to delete it. Click on Delete Tag from the same drop-down menu. Before the tag is permanently removed, you'll need to confirm your choice in the confirmation window that appears. Be sure to think this step through, as deleting a tag cannot be undone. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to edit, rename, and manage tags in Asana. These steps will help you keep your projects organized and ensure that your team stays on the same page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on productivity software. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.